I have a bunch of these smaller rockets left over from the 4th of July. People really seem to love the big rockets, but when it came to these smaller rockets, they didn't get much attention. So I want to make a stand for these so I can line a bunch at a time and kind of use up some of this extra. I'm making this design based off a comment someone made on my rocket stand video. I actually have some 1/2-inch wire mesh left over from a different project. So this piece right here is going to be 16 inches wide and 24 inches long. The material that I'm going to use for both sides is 2x12. Both these pieces are 16 inches. Both these feet that I have drawn out here are going to be 5 inches wide. And this little section of waste material that's going to be a gap is actually 6 inches tall. As far as the material to attach both of these sides together, I'm just going to use 2x4. And I've prepped this on the table saw. I just took off one of the edges so that's a nice flat surface, because this is actually going to be the top.
I see it in your eyes, the hesitation. You can't let fear survive. The world needs saving, so push your doubts aside. Don't be complacent. This is your chance to rise. You've got to take it. Take a breath. You can handle this. There's gonna be some danger, danger, danger. You're only getting braver, braver, braver. Steady on till you scare the fear away. You're only getting braver, you're only getting braver. With each and every stride, you're growing stronger. The dark is taking flight. So don't you falter, you'll overcome in time. Keep pressing onward, you've only gotta fight a little longer. Take a step, you can handle this. There's gonna be some danger, danger, danger. You're only getting braver, braver, braver. Steady on till you scare the fear away. You're only getting braver, you're only getting braver. You're getting braver. You're getting braver. You're getting braver. You're getting.
Here's a couple ways in which you can fill this up. You can either do lines like this, clusters like these, or you can fill this whole entire thing up. It's just kind of whatever your preference is. One thing that I do want to change on this, I've got the wire mesh all the way up to the edge, and it does hang over a little bit in some areas. And I've already got cut on that once, so to make sure no one else gets cut, I actually want to remove that outer row on the whole entire perimeter. I'm going to test this out how it is right now, but I might end up taking a piece of this wire mesh and putting it on the bottom just so the rockets are a little bit more stable. This is going to be sitting in grass, so I think the rockets should be fine. I just don't want them to do something like that and go somewhere where I don't want them to go. The stand being 11 inches tall, it's perfect for this size of rocket, but for these smaller ones, they don't even hit the bottom, so that's not going to work. So I might end up taking and putting some eye hooks along this front, just so I can use these smaller rockets as well. All right, I'm just going to try 2 separate little lines with this to see how this works. I really like this design. I might not put that extra layer of mesh just because that grass does a good job at holding whatever angle you want.